And welcome back to the Factor Uncensored. It is a shocking case out of the Dallas area. A Dallas area couple was arrested Wednesday after investigators say they fraudulently transferred 9 property deeds worth more than $1 million to themselves and one other person that rightfully belonged to the estate of a former Dallas teacher. Now, per Dallas County court records and documents, Belinda and Anthony Tucker both face a single charge of theft of property worth more than $300,000 each. We're told the property was part of the estate of Arnold Young, who died at 82 in February of this year. And we're told by investigators they simply went to the courthouse and transferred property into their name. Joining us to talk about this and what you should look out for if you have someone in your family that may die, or if you die, how your estate should be prepared, is Siobhan Carr and also Lenise Parker, both attorneys. So Siobhan, is this highly unusual?
Unfortunately, it's not. Particularly here in Harris County, we've instituted a vision of elder law abuse because we see this coming up a lot when it comes to our elder population, where individuals are having them execute documents or doing fraudulent conveyances on their behalf. And so there is a division that actually prosecutes those here in Harris County. And because it's not uncommon, there are a lot of estate planning tools that you would want to utilize, especially as we attempt to protect our elder population.
Why is it so easy, Siobhan, to defraud someone like that? It's a matter of just going to the courthouse and filling out some documents and just saying it happened, and then you speak it into existence.
Yes, unfortunately, when it comes to filings with the county clerk, they're not looking there to when you go to file a document, there isn't a review of the title records to determine if this is the actual person who's the grantor or any type of verification of the signature. Usually we don't discover that until it's been filed of record. And so there isn't any safeguard in place at the beginning to prevent individuals from acting in ill will toward others.
And Lenise Parker, attorney, you have a client that's going through this right now. It's going to cost them thousands of dollars to unravel all of this, and it's taking years, right?
Yes, that's absolutely correct. So to kind of piggyback off of what Siobhan was saying, it's so easy to file these deeds with the clerk's office. And my client was literally living at the time. Someone deeded over her property to themselves, sold the property, and then the new owner tried to evict my client out of the home, and it caused us to have to file a case in civil court. I mean, thousands of dollars are spent just to try to get a court to say that this is my client's property and that she never deeded it over. And unfortunately, my client passed while this case was pending, and so now her estate is having to deal with this case and trying to get the property back.
Siobhan, obviously, this is why it's important to plan before you die or before that family member die. You know, you get the power of attorney, get the will in place. What are some of the things that you need to do in order to keep from being taken advantage of by thieves out there who will simply go to the courthouse and transfer a deed into their name?
Right. And so in addition, yes, there are estate planning documents that you need to have in place. But I think it's also very important that you communicate with your loved ones as to what's in your estate so that they know that what's in your estate. And also, you not only communicate with your family members about what's involved in your estate and what the wishes of your estate are, but you also have reviews of your assets with your estate planning attorney or your financial advisor to make sure that all your beneficiaries are named the correct way and there hasn't been any fraud against your estate. So you do have to stay active to ensuring that there hasn't been any wrongdoing done against you.
And of course, make sure you get that final will and testament done, and also check your deed periodically at the courthouse.